So it's the doorway right here. All right, we're in the kitchen right here, bro. So this is this is our hotel apartment. Like what? Wait till you guys see what this place has for us in store for us. And we got laundry in here too. Okay, this is like little dining and living room area. A little mirror right here. Living room, like I said. Bro, it's so spacious and it's really nice and clean. They let us check in an hour in advance. We got a nice big balcony. Bro. Yeah. There's a bathroom right here, I think. Let's see. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is just a closet. Well, like, luggage and stuff. Cool. So a separate one. Bathroom to the left right here. Just real decent sized bathroom. I'll tell you guys how much we paid for all this. And they upgraded us for free because we came here much earlier and they felt bad that we waited even though we came here earlier. We came here at literally 9 a.m. And they felt bad for us. So they upgraded us to a 3-bedroom instead of a 2-bedroom. And when I say bedroom, I actually mean bedroom. I don't mean 2-bed hotel. I mean 2-bedroom. Meaning, this was already one room right here. This is the second room. Right? Like, come on, guys. And then this is the 3rd bedroom. So when they actually say bedroom, they actually mean it. I mean, this is a apartment pretty much. We're here for 6 days. We're gonna go to a different one after we leave here. Then my favorite part of all this is, can I turn the light on in here? Oh, that's a water heater. What's the light? I got a light. I guess not, but that's fine. You guys can see all this closet space. I haven't even opened this. Let me see. Boom. Okay. The little essentials. Good. Always good to see. And then nice big body mirror right here. Boom. 2-person sink. Nice big old mirror right here. Yeah, this bathroom is probably my favorite part of it. Yeah, this is fire. Way too fire. And like I said, laundry included. Bro, we gave them our luggage and they said we could just leave the luggage at the hotel and just walk around until the room's ready. And then now that we're back, they said they'll bring the luggage up for us instead of us grabbing it ourselves. And pretty much the total I paid, out of pocket, I paid like $150 something. Oh, they just brought the luggage. Yep. Was that the doorbell that I heard? Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I don't think it's your fault, but yeah.
What happened?
It's fine, it's still Rose. What am I going through? Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. You have 3?
Yes, we have 3.
Okay. Bye-bye.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yes, sir. Awesome. Like I said, they was bringing the luggage back for us. So they brought it back. Okay, now apparently something was broken on... It was perfectly fine when we got here.
It's not broken, it popped off. It's an easy fix.
Yeah. Okay.
That's
Well,
fine.
that's kind of documented right now since I'm recording. It shouldn't be...
It's still Rose.
It still rolls, but
Rose.
but it came off while he was using it, which he's admitted while he was moving it. So the kitchen again. I don't know where that washer dryer is at, but
Waters?
oh wait, is it right here?
I don't know if it is.
What's this? Is this the? Okay. Is this the washer dryer? What is this? Yo. Oh shit. Guys. Oh hell yeah. Oh. Hell yeah. Washer dryer. Now what's this? Is this just another closet, I guess? Yeah. It's like a place where you hide people. I don't know, but okay, cool. Bad, bro. So guys, I'm gonna tell you how much I ended up paying. I paid about like maybe one out of pocket, probably like, turn this light off, there we go. Out of pocket, I paid probably like $150. And I used my American Express points I used my Chase points, not my American Express. I used my Chase points to book the hotel, because that's how I do my yearly retreats, right? I'll use my points to purchase instead of paying cash. And that was about $500 worth. So you just add it up, it's about $650 in total for 6 nights. And all this extra stuff that they included. And they were very generous with us already. So hope you guys like the tour of the place.